Good morning, students. On behalf of Dr.A.Q for School System, Shahaz Campus Cohort, I welcome you to this video lecture. In this video, we will be discussing subject mathematics of grade 9, unit number 1 matrices, exercise 1.4, question number 11 and 12. Question number 11 is prove that matrix A is equal to 3 to 1, matrix B is equal to minus 3 for 2, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and then we will prove that A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now part 2 is just like part 1, only differences of the matrix. Over here we have matrix C and matrix T, and we need to prove that C plus D whole transpose is equal to C transpose plus D transpose, and C minus D whole transpose is equal to C transpose minus D transpose. I'm going to solve only one part for you. The second part of this question you need to solve it yourselves. So moving to the solution of part 1 of this question. First of all, we will take this left hand side, A plus B whole transpose. We will find out A plus B whole transpose. And then we will take this right hand side. We will first of all find out A transpose, and then we will find B transpose, and then we will add A transpose and B transpose together, and then we will verify that both sides results are same. Similar for the second part. So of part 1, we take left hand side, which is A plus B whole transpose. Now first of all, we will add matrix A with B. So you know how to add matrices. So you will add matrix A and then matrix B, and then you will add corresponding elements of these matrices. So you get the result 0, 6 and 3. Now we have found out A plus B, but we need to find A plus B whole transpose. Now we will take transpose of this A plus B matrix. So transpose, let me revise how to take transpose. Now this is a matrix 0, 6, 3. We need to take the transpose of this matrix. It's quite simple. In transpose, we just switch rows with column. So 0, 6, 3, this is the row. We need to switch this into column. So this will become 0, 6, 3. So this is transpose. A plus B whole transpose is equal to 0, 6, 3. Name this equation 1. Now we take a right hand side, which is A transpose plus B transpose. First of all, we will find A transpose. So A transpose is equal to, now A matrix is what? A matrix is 3 to 1. So taking the transpose of A matrix, we get 3 to 1 in the column. Similarly, B transpose, we get minus 3 for 2. Now we need to add these two matrices, A transpose plus B transpose. So adding these two matrices, we get the result 0, 6, 3. Name this 2. Now from 1 and 2, you can see that results are same. Therefore, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, hence proved. Now for the second, we need to also verify A minus B whole transpose. Alright. So first of all, what do? We actually find A minus B. We subtract matrix A, B. So A minus B, write down matrix A and then minus matrix B. We just subtract corresponding elements. The result is 6 minus 2 minus 1. Now, because we are going to find out A minus B whole transpose, so there we have a 6 minus 2 minus 1. This is A minus B. Now we will take, or we will find transpose of this matrix. So again, this is a row. We just change this row into column. This will be transpose. A minus B transpose is equal to 6 minus 2, 1. You can name this equation 3. Now we take the right hand side, which is A transpose minus B transpose. Now matrix A is 3 to 1, so the transpose of 3 to 1 is actually in the column 3 to 1. This is A transpose, and then minus this is B transpose. We will now subtract these two matrices. We get the result 6 minus 2 minus 1. Name this equation 4. Now from 3 and 4, this is 4. On the previous slide, this is 3. So you can see that both results are same. Therefore, A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. This is the end of part 1. Now part 2 is just like part 1. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. So you will solve this part 2 by yourself. Now coming to question number 12. In question number 12 we have three parts. We have three further questions. The first question is A matrix is this, B is this. Show that AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Now this part 1 is just like part 3 of this question. I will only solve this part 1 for you. Part 3 you need to solve it yourself. So let's get into the solution of part 1. We will first of all multiply matrix A with matrix B, and then we will take the transpose of AB matrix, and then we will take this right hand side, we will find the transpose of B, and then we will find the transpose of A, and then we will multiply the B transpose and A transpose matrices together. So the first part, we take the left hand side, AB transpose. So first of all you need to multiply matrix A with matrix B. You know how to multiply matrices, so I'm going to just skip it. So after multiplying these two matrices, we get the result 8, 17, 11, 9. Alright, this is AB. Now we need to take transpose of this AB matrix. So taking the transpose, the first row changes into the first column, and you need to switch the second row into second column. So this is the transpose. Name this one. Now take the right hand side, which is B transpose, A transpose. Now we will find first of all A transpose, this is A transpose, and then we will find B transpose, this is B transpose, and then we will multiply B transpose with A transpose. First of all we write B transpose matrix and then A transpose, and then we need to multiply these two matrices. On multiplication we get the result 8, 11, 17, 9. Name these two. Now from 1 and 2 you can see that both the matrices are same, therefore AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This third part is just like part 1. Now question number 2 is if C matrix is equal to ABCD, we need to show that C transpose is equal to C. Now in this question we will first take transpose of matrix C, and then we will take the transpose of C. So let's go to the solution. Now this is matrix C is equal to A, B, C, D. We need to find first of all the transpose of this matrix C. Transpose will be the first row switched to first column, and the second row switches to the second column. So this is C transpose. Now we will take transpose of this matrix again. C transpose transpose. The first row changes into first column, the second row changes into second column. You can see that now this A, B, C, D is actually matrix C. So therefore C transpose is equal to C, hence prove. This is the end of this video. I hope you have understood the concept. This is the end of exercise 1.4. Inshallah in next video we will be discussing next exercise. Until then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.